Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a recipe from HelloFresh and this is their Pesto Flatbread. I've had many different variations of flatbread from HelloFresh and they've all been super delicious. So I was excited to try this one. It has a bunch of ingredients that I typically would never think to put on a pizza. Broccoli, zucchini, sun-dried tomatoes, all sorts of interesting things. But this is how it comes packaged. They give you exactly everything you need. And the recipes are always really easy to follow. First thing you want to do is make sure you chop everything, wash everything, get that all ready to go. Then I heated up some oil and I cooked the zucchini and the broccoli. Just sauteed that for a while until it was softened. I also added in some garlic as well. And let that finish cooking. And then I preheated my oven and started assembling my flatbread. So I gave you enough pesto to make 2 flatbreads. So I'm just going to divide that evenly and spread that out on there. And I have been getting the vegetarian options. Those tend to be my favorite since I'm a huge veggie lover, but don't often cook too many veggies at home because my family hates them. So when I get these, normally like my mother-in-law comes over or I'll eat some for lunch and then some for dinner. I always like spread it out, but I love HelloFresh. It's always really fun. It's a different way of cooking and it kind of gets you to think outside the box. So once I had the pesto on there, I added the mozzarella. And then I added on some sun-dried tomatoes, which I don't think I've ever had on a pizza. And then the veggies were done cooking. So I went ahead and added the broccoli and the zucchini. Again, not something you would think belongs on a pizza, but this actually turned out really good. So this is what it looked like before going in the oven and after going into the oven. Not much changed except for the cheese is melted, but just cut those up and I ate the whole thing because it was really good. If you guys would like to try this, I do have a recipe below in case you want to recreate it at home, or if you'd like to sign up for HelloFresh, I have a promo code below as well. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.